Hello guys, so you're welcome back to my channel once again. So we have division of binary numbers on the board and we are asked to divide 11010 in base 2 divided by 10 in base 2. How do you carry out division of binary numbers? The same way you did division of numbers in base 10, you're going to apply the same principle here. Stay with me. Now, don't forget that before the use of calculator, when we're in primary school, when they say you should divide 5 divided by 2, what do? You take the long division rule, right? So in the long division rule, there are things that you need to take note of. We have what we call the dividend. We have what we call the divisor. We have what we call the quotient. And we have lastly, we have the remainder. They are very important, okay? Dividend is what you want to divide, okay? While divisor is what you are using to divide that thing. Quotient is the answer we get on the top, while remainder is the answer we get below. Okay, now let's apply the same principle to this. Let me make this one. Let me use this side. So look at this. Your divisor should be here. Why the dividend? You put it inside there. 11010. Do you understand that? Now, when you take this 10 in 1, it's not possible. You see, before you can know if this is not possible indeed, this one has to be lesser than the number you are dividing it with here. If this one is bigger than that number, that means not possible. So you look at it. If I take 10 in 1, it's not possible. But if I take 10 in 1, it's possible. So and when a number is possible, when you are dividing in base 2, and the number is possible, it is always what? 1. The result is always what? 1. So this in 1 is what? 1. You know, I told you last time when I did addition and subtraction of binary number, I said the highest number that you can have in binary in base 2 is what? Is 1. So if this is possible in this, the result is always what? 1. So this multiplied by 1, we have 10. Then you subtract. Do you understand? So when you subtract, what are you supposed to have? 1 minus 0 is 1. Automatically when you subtract, this is 0. So the 0 is negligible. You may leave it. You may not need to write it. Now, can this go in this? No. You drag the next number down. Can you see that? So can this go in this? The result is yes. Because they are also what? The same. Do you understand? So this multiplied by this again, you have. Can you see that, please? So this minus this is what? 0. Can this go in this? No. So you may even neglect it. You may not even need to write it because it's 0, 0. So you drag the next number down, which is what? 1. Can this go in this? The result is no. But this 1 is not coming out from the remainder when we subtract these two. It's coming out from the dividend itself. So since this cannot go in that number that is coming out from the dividend, you write down your 0. Do you understand? Because this 1 is not from the subtraction of these two numbers here. It's coming out from the dividend. So and this is not possible in this. So you write down the 0. So this multiplied by this will still give you 0. So I may not even need to write 0 again here because I'll still have my remainder as 1 then. So the next thing you need to do is just to drag the next number down, which is what? 0. So this in this is what? 1. Put your 1 here. Do you understand? So this times this is what? And the remainder will give you what? 0, 0. I stop there. So this is the remainder. Based on what I've explained before, I say is below. This is the quotient, which is the one we are interested in. And this is the, don't forget, this is the what? Dividend. And this is our what? Divisor. Please take note of that. It's very, very important. So the result, the answer to this problem is simply what? 1101 in base 2. So that is how to divide binary numbers. Alright? So please don't forget to like my video, share this video, subscribe to my channel for more of this. Bye for now.